Good morning, children. Good morning. Good morning, Amin. Only Amin's videos on. Adikesh, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter, practical geometry, that is chapter construction. So let us start. Are you ready with your instrument box? Okay, so new chapter, practical geometry. Practical geometry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
last day you gave some homeworks, right?
Okay.
Can we discuss that?
Sure. Okay. So, who asked this? Henin, read the answers. Read the question and answer. First question. What was the first question? Read.
Ma'am, is it a new chapter?
Yes.
Okay.
Read the question and answer. Nandana, read the first question.
Ma'am, on which of the following profit percentage is loss percentage calculated?
Loss percentage is calculated on.
Ma'am, selling price.
Loss percentage is calculated on. Adikesh.
MC.
Is it selling price? Sharath. Nandana Sharath.
MC, please.
Yes, cost price. Both profit percentage or loss percentage is calculated on cost price. Okay, Nandana Sharath. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next, Nandana, read the next question.
Ma'am, in the interest of compounded half yearly, then time period is taken.
I mean, its answer is second one's answer. If the interest is compounded quarterly, then what was the question, Nandana? Which one? Time. Okay. If the interest is compounded half yearly, then time period is taken. What was the answer? If we are compounded half yearly, what was the answer? Second one's answer. Say, Lakshmi. Advait Murali, what was the answer? If the interest is compounded half yearly, the time period is taken as dash. What was the answer? Can you hear me, children? Can you hear me? Yes. Then Advait, what was the answer? Advait Sinoob, what was its answer? Advait Sinoob, what was its answer? Lakshmi, what was the answer?
Ma'am, which question?
Second one.
Ma'am, MCQ. Ma'am, marked price.
Okay, discount is always calculated on marked price. Okay. And now I am asking this question. If the interest compounded half yearly, then time period is that one. What was the answer? Lakshmi.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
If the interest is compounded half yearly, then time period is taken as.
Ma'am, I didn't get the answer. Ma'am,
Yes.
is it half the number of the year given?
How half the number of years given? Nandana, see, suppose we are taking, we have done 1.5 years, isn't it? No. So how many half periods are there?
3.
3. So half yearly. If it is taken for half yearly, there will be if we are taking per year, there will be 2. Per year there will be 2. Okay. So what is happening for 2 years? There will be 4. 4 half years. If there is 3 years, there will be 6 half years. So what will be the answer then? Nandana? Think. For 1 year, we are taking 2 because there are 2 half years. So what will be its answer?
Ma'am, twice as the
Twice. Okay, Nandana, is it clear? Nandana, Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay, Adhikesh, read next one.
If the interest is compounded quarterly.
One second, Adhikesh, 1 second. Advait, if you are not there in the class, this is my last class is on Friday. This is the 3rd day after my last class. You have to ask your friends what are the things ma'am has taken, and you have to copy the notes also. Okay, Advait. Otherwise, what you will do if you are absent for 1 day? What is the option? Okay, you must copy the notes. Read, Adhikesh.
If the interest is compounded quarterly, then the rate of interest per annum
Answer will
reduced to half.
How? Wait. If the interest is compounded quarterly means 1 year is dividing into 4. So
And reduced to 1/4.
Reduced to 1/4, Adhikesh. Okay. We have done 8% divided by 4, 2%. One question we have done. Per annum it is 8%. So what will be the interest for quarterly? So 8 by 4, 2. I think that is our 3rd question. Adhikesh, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And then next question. Fadil, read next question. Fadil. Okay. Only 4 are switch on their videos. I will take class only these 4. Others, simply your names. I'm not going to ask or I'm not going to call these people, those who are not switch on their videos. If there is only one, I will communicate with that person. Okay, Amin, read next question. Amin, can you hear me? Amin? Tom, read the next question.
Yes, ma'am. A machinery worth rupees P is depreciated by R percentage P per annum. Per annum. Write the formula for finding its value after 2 years.
What was the formula?
A is equal to rupees P by 1 by R by 100.
P by or P
into? P
into
1 plus
depreciation. So Tom,
1 minus
1 minus
R by
okay,
100 by 2.
Rate we will take it as negative R. Okay, so P into 1 minus R by 100 for 1 year. So raised to 1 means it is 1 itself. So P into 1 minus R by 100. Clear? Nivedya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Read next question, Nivedya.
And the comparison of two quantities by division is called
What? Huh?
Ratio.
Ratio. Next one, read Vedya. Next question.
And what is the percentage of 5 oranges out of 25? 20%.
20%. Okay. Now, Lakshmi, read next one.
Ma'am, find 72% of 25. 18.
18. Okay. Nivedya, not Nivedya. Who's Sridev? Next one. Sridev. 72% of 25 is over. Which was the next question? Sridev, read.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Question number is what?
Ma'am, 9.
9. Question number 9. Sridev, question number 9.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Question, read the answer for question number 9. Sridev, question number 9. I think he has some problem. Vaishnavi, question number 9. Read. We can't hear you, Vaishnavi. We can't hear. I think there is a problem. You just press the knob of your microphone. No, we can't hear. I think there is a problem. Adigesh, read.
Ma'am, convert 2 by 3 into percentage. It is 66. 66.66.
Okay, 66 and 2 by 3. 0.66 we can write 2 by 3. Mixed fraction. Okay, Lakshmi CV. Next one.
Ma'am, find the compound interest of rupees 12,600 for 2 years at 10% per annum compound annually.
Answer is?
Answer is, ma'am, compound percentage equal to 2,646.
2,646, correct. Next one. Nandana Sharat. Yes, Nivedya.
Can you explain that?
Lakshmi, steps.
Ma'am, principal equal to 12,600. Time period equal to 2 years. Then rate equal to 10% per annum.
Everything is given, Nivedya. Direct application.
Can you say what is principal one?
Principal is 12,000. Principal is 12,600.
Okay, ma'am. I wrote 12,000.
Okay. Then okay. Okay, next question, Nandana Sharat.
Ma'am, find CI on rupees 12,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Principal amount 12,000, rate 10%, and time 1 year, 1.5 years. The amount is 13,891.5. Bond interest is 1,891.5.
Correct. Nivedya, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Questions are over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we start new chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
So, our new chapter is practical geometry. All of you take your scale, pencil, and compass. Here in this chapter, we are studying construction of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, there will be 4 sides and 4 angles. So there are three different types we are constructing. First type, if 4 sides are given. Second types, 2 angles and diagonals are given. Next one, 3 angles and 1 side is given. That way we will do problems. So heading, construction of a quadrilateral. Practical geometry is the chapter name, and we are doing construction of quadrilaterals. Construction of quadrilaterals. In that, first one is when the length of 4 sides, when the length of when the length of 4 sides and a diagonal are given, and a diagonal are given. 4 sides and a diagonal are given. Okay, we will start with a question. Write first question. Right, first question. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ 4 centimeter, PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, PS 5.5 centimeter, PS 5.5 centimeter, PR 7 centimeter, PR 7 centimeter, PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, PS 5.5 centimeter, and PR 7 centimeter. Okay, here we need to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. So first of all, what you have to do, draw a rough figure of the given question. We need to draw PQRS. It is a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw a rough figure. PQRS. What are given? PQ 4 centimeter, QR 6 centimeter, and PS 5.5 centimeter, RS 5 centimeter, and one diagonal is given 7 centimeter. This is we need to draw first. First of all, draw the rough figure. So in this type of question, what we will do is we have two triangles here, PSR and PQR. Two triangles, PSR and there it is. Two triangles, PSR and PQR. Okay, so for constructional triangles you have already studied. So we will construct two triangles, PSR and PQR, so that in total we will get PQRs. So first of all, draw the diagonal PR. From that diagonal PR, we will construct both PSR and PQR. Okay, so first we need to draw diagonal PR. Take your scale. Scale and pencil. Draw diagonal PR. Draw a line PR, 7 centimeter. All of you draw, then write it. It is PR. PR. Okay. First we will construct PSR, this triangle. For that, from P 5.5 centimeter. PS is 5.5 centimeter. So take your compass and on compass take a length of 5.5. Take a length of 5.5. From P to S, the length is PS. Length PS is 5.5. So take 5.5 on your compass. Took all of you? Okay. Now, point that on P, then draw an arc. Okay. Point the compass at P, draw an arc. Take a radius of 5.5. Now again, from R, what was the length? From R, what was the length? 5 centimeter. Okay, so take 5 centimeter. From R, RS, we need 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter on compass. Point that on R. Then draw another arc. Now this meeting point will be, what will be this point? So we found which point, Sridev?
Point of intersection.
What is the name of that point? From the figure, from the rough figure, which point we found now? S. We got S. This is S. Join PS and RS. Join.
Professional delivery service Ernakulam, India.
Abhiram, stop. Join PS. PS and RS. PS and RS. So this is triangle first triangle PRS. All of you got that? Triangle PRS? Adhigesh, Tom, Lakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now we will draw the next one. Next one from PQ. PQ is 4 centimeter. PQ is 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter on the compass. 4 centimeter on compass. Four centimeter to get PQ. PQ 4 centimeter. Take the compass, point it on P, then draw an arc. Then PQ, RQ is 6 centimeter. RQ 6 centimeter. So take 6 centimeter. Then from R, draw an arc. So what is this point, Sridev? This point of intersection is? Sridev?
Q.
It is Q.
Q.
Q. Now join PQ and RQ. Join PQ and RQ. Children, did you get that S?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think that board has been gone, so I didn't get back. Sure.
Ma'am, we completed that.
Okay. Then okay. So shall we do one more question of the same type?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you got PQRS, Advait, Nandana, Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, next question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD. AB 4.5 centimeter. AB 4.5 centimeter. BC 5.5 centimeter. Our class is up to 11:30.
11:30.
11:30. BC 5.5 centimeter and CD 4 centimeter. CD 4 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter. AC 7 centimeter. AB 4.5. BC 5.5. CD 4. AD 6. AC 7. First of all, draw a rough figure of this quadrilateral, then you can start. So that you will get an idea from where we need to take this and that. Okay. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B 4.5. B, C 5.5. C, D 4. A, D 6. A, C 7. So first what we will do? We'll draw
Rough figure.
AC. AC first. Diagonal AC. Draw diagonal AC. Diagonal AC first. AC 7 centimeter. AC. Draw diagonal AC first. Now we will draw ADC first. First triangle and second triangle. ADC first. So AD 6 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter. CD 4 centimeter. AD 6 centimeter and CD 4 centimeter. So we are getting D 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. You must write, after drawing, you must write the length also. AD 6 centimeter, DC 4 centimeter. Then from A 4.5 to get B, from A 4.5, A 4.5, from C 5.5. So that we will get B. AB 4.5 centimeter, BC 5.5 centimeter. Tom, got ABCD completed?
I have one more diagonal.
Okay. Not diagonal, it is side.
Okay.
First we will draw diagonal. AC 7 centimeter. All other measurements are sides. Advait, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Sridev, Amin,
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, Adikesh, Nandana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vaishnavi, what happened? Now you have one homework questions. Third one, construct jump, J-U-M-P, J-U-M-P, such that Ju 3.5, Ju 3.5, Um 4 centimeter, Um 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, PJ 4.5, PJ 4.5 centimeter, PU 6.5 centimeter, PU 6.5 centimeter. So rough figure is JUMP, JU 3.5 centimeter, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 this is homework. Okay, PJ 4.5 centimeter, PU. So draw PU first. PU 6.5 centimeter. We will draw PU first. One more question as homework. Fourth question. Question number 4. Construct rhombus best, BE 4.5 and ET 6. Rhombus best, BEST, BE 4.5 and ET diagonal 6. No other sides are given. Why? Why it's so?
All sides of a rhombus.
Very good. Rhombus. So all the other sides are equal. So all sides are equal. So this is also homework. Okay. No need to give all other sides. Since it is a rhombus, you can draw the same 4.5 for all other sides. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I show that question again?
Okay. I ask you to study powers and exponents, isn't it? Lakshmi, what are the laws of exponents? Laws of exponents, Lakshmi. Did you study it? Only smile. I understood. Anybody studied? Raise the hand. Those who studied, raise the hands. Anyone? No, very good. Okay. Tom, did you study it?
Ma'am, I thought next week.
Okay. Who told you to think that way?
Ma'am.
Nandana, Nivedya, anybody start revision? Oh, very good smiles. Thank you. Okay, so start study today itself. I will send problems today. Okay. Bye. Bye all of you. Our time is up. Bye.